everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about Lavinia reviews? If yes, then watch this unbiased review that will help you to decide either you should use this platform for shopping or not, as the website is getting attention of the customer, especially from United States and United Kingdom. So let's check out the detail. Lavinia.com is an online shopping store that deals in a number of electronic items, and even the best brand items are available on the website like Sony, Canon, etc. There are many items that will capture your attention and will compel you to buy. Let's check out the specification and detail of this website. It is HTTPS secure website. The email address they have mentioned is not matching their domain name and it can be a red alert. Moreover, they have not shared their physical and contact detail. You can enjoy 30 days return policy. No reviews found on the collection of this website. As far as cancellation policy is concerned, if the order has not been dispatched, the order could be cancelled. A full refund will be allowed. For shipping, they need 5 to 10 days. And for international shipping, they need 9 to 15 days. They have multiple payment method available. Positive point of the website are worldwide shipping is available, email address is matching available, and an authorized distributor is mentioned. Negative reviews of the website are address as well as contact detail are not mentioned on the website. No customer reviews or feedbacks available on any item. There is no page of social media platform related to this website. We found unrealistic discount on various products. So the question is Lavinia legit or a scam store? Like, it is an online website that offers you multiple products like many other online shopping website. This website also assures us to provide product of good quality, but nowadays we know that many sellers deceive the customer through unfair means, so it is very important to check out the legitimacy of online platforms. So it was created on 22nd September 2021. It has horrible trust index score of 1%. No doubt it is HTTPS protocol secured website, but no reviews could be found. Even no social media page could be found that is linked with this website. As we all know that reviews are a great help for us. As we discussed, it is a safe website as far as its HTTPS protocol connection is concerned, but many informations are missing, like physical address and contact details are not provided. Moreover, the email address mentioned by the website is not even matching the domain name, and it is not enough. Moreover, we are unfortunate to trace back any customer reviews on collection or on the website too. So it makes the website suspicious and unsafe for use. Moreover, the site got zero popularity as per Alexa ranking, which means less customer visited this website. So in our final verdict, we can say that we come to the conclusion that no doubt the website is very new and has short life expectancy date, and that make the website suspicious and a scam website. Moreover, the trust score is very poor, which means the customer can hardly trust this website. The domain name is also invisible, making it doubtful, so it is not recommended for you to shop anything from this store. And if you have personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience right in the comment box. We love to hear from you.